I want to talk about this dental grade teeth whitening kit that MySmile sent me to do a video on. First of all, what do you get? What's in the box? Taking a look right here. A couple of my favorite features. You get results in 10 minutes. So this is going to work pretty quickly for you. And right here you get the instructions. It breaks it right down for you. Very simple, very easy to use. Additionally, you get a scale that's going to show you exactly how much result you're getting from this as far as making your teeth different shades of whiteness. Right here we have the applicator whitening gel. You get 3 vials. You can get a lot of use out of those. These are the applicators right here for the vials. You screw those right in. This right here is the LED applicator. And right next to it, I'll be grabbing right here is the mouth guard. And you'll put that right on the applicator. Put it in your mouth. Very easy to use. You'd like to try for yourself? Please click on the link in the description below.